Happy Monday, 7th graders. Here we are back at it again. We are going to continue looking at earthquakes and volcanoes in Central America and the Caribbean. But before we do that, I want us to rest a little bit in Psalm 46. Let's read the first two verses together. It says, move this here. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Therefore, we will not fear, though the earth give way and the mountains fall into the heart of the sea, though its waters roar and foam and the mountains quake with their surging. The psalm goes on to talk about other things that could happen in creation and in the world around us that could be scary. And it ends with these famous verses that you've probably memorized before. God says, "Be still and know that I am God. I will be exalted among the nations. I will be exalted in the earth. The Lord Almighty is with us. The God of Jacob is our fortress." So Psalm 46 is a great reminder of God's protection and presence in the midst of an earthquake or a hurricane, in the midst of COVID-19. So as we study some scary things that happened and could happen in physical geography, we have to remember that God is the powerful one, and He is always present. So what we're going to do today, if you saw from our to-do list, is you're going to watch a video about Haiti's earthquake in 2010. Let me pull up that assignment. I'll launch it from Classroom. You are going to just watch the first 3 segments today, and it's called HaitisKillerQuake. And here's the login information if you're going to need it. And you're going to take a few notes on these 3 segments. Okay, I think I asked for 4 to 5 bullets of information for each segment. You only do the first 3. So anything that you learn about this earthquake or earthquakes in general, look at this highlight though. Listen especially for why there was so much damage in this particular quake. A 7.0 earthquake is a big deal, but really in comparison, we have had similar quakes or even larger quakes that have not done this much damage. So as you listen, take notes on cool things, but especially listen for why did this cause so much damage? What factors played into the damage to buildings and structures and to the loss of so much life. So those 3 segments, 4 to 5 bullets of great information, and then you may submit. But again, rest in the promise from Psalm 46. God is powerful and God is present. Have a great day, 7th graders.